Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to get location toggle shortcut in control center on any iPhone. Now currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and the iOS version on our iPhone is the iOS 18.3.1. Now to get the location toggle shortcut in the control center, just open the App Store. Now from here, just search shortcut. Now from here, make sure that you have installed the Shortcuts app on your smartphone. Now as you can see, I have already installed the Shortcuts app on my smartphone. Now if you have not installed it yet, just tap on install, and once the app is fully downloaded, just tap on open. Now from here, just make sure that you are on Shortcuts. Now from here, just tap on the plus icon at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here, just search Open URLs. Now once you search Open URLs, just tap on Open URLs. Now from here, just tap on URL. Now from here, just type the exact prompt I am typing, because this function is cache sensitive. Now from here, just take a screenshot of this prompt I just entered and make sure you copy the exact prompt, because this function is cache sensitive. Now once you have done that, just tap on done. Now from here, just tap on the three dots on the shortcut we just created. Now from here, just tap on this arrow icon. Now from here, just tap on rename. Now from here, you can rename this shortcut as location. Now from here, tap on done. Now from here, just tap on this arrow icon one more time. Now from here, tap on choose icon. Now from here, tap on custom icon. Now from here, just select the location icon. Now from here, select any color you like. I will select this color. Now once you have done that, just tap on done. Now from here, tap on done. Now to add the shortcut to your control center, just go to your home screen. Now from here, just swipe down from the upper right corner to open the control center. Now from here, just tap and hold on the empty space on the screen. Now from here, just tap on add a control. Now from here, just search shortcuts. Now from here, just tap on the shortcut button. Now from here, tap on choose. Now from here, select the location shortcut we just created. Now from here, just tap on the empty space on the screen. Now as you can see, the location shortcut has been created. Now from here, you can scale it up or scale it down as you like. Now from here, just tap on the empty space to confirm your action. Now from here, if you tap on the location icon, now you will go to the settings app. Now from here, you can enable or disable the location services. Just like that. And this is how you can get the location toggle shortcut in the control center on any iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.